creating unforgettable moments. Bringing hope and light in the darkest times. Empowering people for sustainability. Gintong Aral continues to create an impact in every community as a catalyst of transformation.
Hello po, ako po si Elena, ang Project Coordinator ng Home Repair Kit Assistance Project ng Gintong Aral Community Development Incorporated. The project started because of the Typhoon Karina that hit the Philippines last July 2024. Isa po sa mga lubos na naapektuhan nito ay ang Montalban sa lalawigan ng Rizal. Ito po ay dahil sa walang tigil na pag-ulan na nagresulta ng matinding pagbaha. Humigit kumulang sa 500 pamilya sa barangay Bagong Ilog, Manggahan, Riverside ang nawalan ng tirahan at lubos na naapektuhan sa pangyayaring ito. Because of this, the Gintong Aral team together with Synagogue for Jesus Ministries led by Pastor Bert and Pastora Priscilda Endab, we conducted a thorough assessment with this community. And with the help of profiling, we identified the beneficiaries composed of solo parents, senior citizens, unemployed, and person with disabilities. 100 families were granted the provision of shelter kit to add up to their needs for a provision of a livable temporary shelter for their families. The repair kit includes corrugated roof, plywood, coco lumber, and nails. Ang project beneficiaries ay nahati sa 3 batches kung saan kami po ay nagkaroon ng orientation bago ito i-award. Sa pamamagitan nito, ito po ay nakatulong sa kanila upang malaman kung ano nga ba ang mga alituntunin na maaari nilang gawin sa ating shelter kit. Pagkatapos mai-award, kami po ay nagkaroon din ng monitoring kung saan naman po kami po ay mismong bumibisita sa kanila upang sila ay kamustahin at makita ang progress nito. Kamusta naman po? Ano pong naging pakiramdam ninyo nung nalaman niyo po na isa po kayo sa beneficiary na makakatanggap ng kahit papaano na
Siyempre ma'am, masaya kasi kahit papaano ma'am, yung bahay ko maayos, magkakaroon ng dingding, tapos yung bubong maayos, wala nang yung tulo, isa pa magiging maayos din kahit papaano yung bahay namin na dati pangit na wala talagang dingding, walang kwarto, walang ganun.
Malaking tulong po. Kasi yung sahig po namin na to, tutuusin po mga butas na po yan, biyak na po yan. Bali, ipinatong na po namin din yung binigay niyo.
Ito po.
Opo.
So kung wala po yung mga plywood na yun,
Opo.
po yan?
Paano na po yan? Nakahati na po yan. Tapos yung iba po nandito po sa kwarto namin nakadingding. Opo. Yung yero po, dito namin inano sa taas.
Nakalog-log din kami nyo kasi gawa nga ng may nangabubong na rin bago, tapos lahat din kami din, nabigyan din niya, lahat din nabigyan din kami ng mga bubong sa kahoy.
Through this project, I was inspired to the stories of beneficiaries on how resilient they are despite of having difficulty in starting over.
Okay naman po, nakakaraos naman. Yun nga po ang pinapasalamat ko kasi kahit wala po siyang permanenteng trabaho, nakakaraos kami sa pang-araw-araw. At saka ang pinakamahalaga sa amin, kahit wala kaming pera, walang may sakit sa amin. Kaya minsan hindi ko rin kailangan tiisin kasi gawa sa pamilya. Talagang ganito kasi nandito tayo sa bandang ilog kaya medyo tiis lang din. Laban lang. Wala lang buhay talaga.
Nangihinayang talaga ako pero ganun talaga, kaya lang, pray na lang at saka hindi ko naman din na nangihinayang ako pero no choice tayo kasi yun yung nangyayari sa natin kaya okay lang. Laban lang tayo.
But we are so grateful when you extended your hand with us, helping the community in their life. Actually, the effect was our church member grows from 40 to 45 attendees to 60 to 70 people. during your assistance after the flood we experienced 3 times in a month last year, we begin to become closer to the community. They begin to accept the ministry. Many people now greet us when we are passing by.
We also thank God for the wisdom He gave to us. Those recipients were requested to immediately repair their houses. And if they are lacking manpower, we help. We extend our youth to help them to fix their houses. Thank you very much and God bless.
In behalf of Gintong Aral Community Development Incorporated, led by our National Director, Reverend Jackson Natividad, we would like to thank and acknowledge the people behind the success of this project. Our founder, church partner, community leader, and volunteers. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat and God bless us all.